G'day good bastards. Stinging nettle tea. I'm never quite sure whether I should eat the stinging nettle or not, or it's going to sting me. We'll find out. It's actually okay. Very high in iron. Anyway, today, got a very, very exciting box opening. One that's very special. My patrons are the reason I'm still doing this. I would have stopped doing a long time ago, so if you are a patron, I really, really appreciate your contribution to the work I do, and I don't take it for granted, and every so often I like to give something back. So for this particular patron, I've commissioned Christopher Manning, known as Crispy's Kiwi Adventures, to custom make a special knife for Wendy. Now Wendy has been an outstanding patron. She this year sponsored me to do a trip to Stewart Island. She paid for the helicopter and the huts and everything, and it was very hard to give her anything back. I tried to, but she didn't want to take anything back from me, so I have done this behind her back and got this made. I also have a knife sharpening system that's been sent to me from a company that wants me to try it out, so I'm going to open that and give you my review on it a bit later on once I've tried it. What better knife to use than Crispy's kill knife he made me. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It actually needs to sharpen right now. This will be, I imagine for Wendy, a very special gift for a lot of reasons. One of them will be that it's actually been handmade specifically for her. There's nothing better than receiving something that's handmade from somebody, and this bloke here goes all out. With no further ado, let's crank this baby open and see what's inside. Don't you just love it when you get all this stuff? It kind of says this is fragile, but it's a knife, so how fragile is it? I guess the blade is fragile. Oh, I'm going to assume he's got it in a sheath with the whole deal. And I'm right. Oh my God, you're going to love this, Wendy. I've just had a wee sneaky look at the handle. So this is a beautiful sheath. Look at that. And it's got his wee logo on the side, I think. Yep, there it goes there. There it goes just under my finger there, I don't know if you can see that. See that there? That's showing up all right, guys? Oh, the smell. You could smell this. That's nothing more than the smell of leather that's treated. Beautiful. And just a wee sneaky look at the colour of the handle. And that's the pink I wanted on the inside for the handle. Let's take it out and see. I have not looked at this. Oh dear, that is beautiful. Look at the handle. Oh wow. Oh Wendy, you are going to love that. Look at that. Look at the design on it. Holy cow. Oh mate, this is absolutely a precision blade. What a beautiful, beautiful knife. Oh, honestly. Well, there you have it, Wendy. We'll get that on its way to you. And if anybody wants a knife custom made from Crispy, I'll put his little logo here, and you can search him on the internet. He's easy to find. He's got a YouTube channel, and you can just search that on YouTube and you get the details. Crispy's Kiwi Adventures, and you can hunt it down yourself and find yourself a knife. They take a while to get made. This one's been going on for quite a few months now because he can only make so many. They are a precision instrument. I won't say what the price is because each one's different. 1084 carbon, high carbon steel. The handle is River Tortora, Purple Heart, and the liner is a pink G10 liner. That's what you can see in there. And the style is EDC. That's everything comes on the side of the box I've just read out to you. And all I can say, Wendy, is you totally deserve it, mate. You've been an outstanding patron. You've been so supportive, and it's just a small token gesture of my appreciation. Wow. This is all the gear that's been sent. It's a lot of equipment. It looks like a really precision system. This is really heavy. So I'm going to have to do some research on how to use it. This is really heavy equipment, all this gear. I'll set it up at the log cabin, and there will be the stones. What an amazing thing to be sent. I'd say it's going to be an absolute gun of a system. And there's the diamond sharpeners. That one there is 1000 grit. So it's 1000, and I'm guessing the other one's a coarse. Yep. This is a 150. It's 150, so it'll be like for starting off with. Hey Johnny? Awesome. Right, and these will be the that'll lock into there and adjust that. This is actually quite a clever setup. Wow, and it's quite complex. These little things here actually grip the knife. Those things there, they hold the knife and they clamp in, and you set it to the angle you want. You can choose it on that little piece I looked at before, and you get your angle of your blade. And this should actually make this is going to be really interesting. This is going to be really interesting. Wow, that's a real precision tool. You can see the bottom one there when she's all set up. You can see how it will work. Well, actually, this picture's here probably better. No, actually, that one there's better. This one here shows how it will be. It's basically like the Lansky knife sharpening system and all the other ones, but a lot more precision. They have made it so there's no margin for error, so you basically staying on it. I am really looking forward to getting all my knives even sharper, razor sharp, and they're pretty sharp right now, but you can never have a knife that's too sharp. Hey Richard! It's amazing how many hunters do not know how to sharpen their knives. It's common for a lot of guys to not really know how to do it. That is exciting. Very exciting. Johnny's found a place in the shade. I hope you enjoyed this box opening. Enjoy your knife, Wendy, and we'll talk to you guys soon. See you later. Be good, can't be good, be careful. Right, I'll go and do some work. Time is ticking. See you later.